Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name's Mike Pitt. I make videos about marketing, business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase the value of your portfolios. The title for today's video is what's the easiest way to get into crypto? And I'm taking it back to basics for some of my newbie viewers and subscribers. So if you've been watching my more advanced or videos relating to specific cryptos and investing in those and whether you should, please carry on watching those. This is for the newbies. So if you're completely new to crypto or you've been thinking about crypto or reading about crypto, this is a video for you. I'm going to show you some steps on screencast, a few steps for you to follow, and then at the end I'll wrap up as usual. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I'm going to put my socials on screen now. Follow me on all of those platforms if you want to. I'll be happy to communicate with you there, leave me messages and so on. Okay, let's dive into the video. Okay, what's the easiest way to get into crypto? Here are the practical steps. Step one is to visit Coinbase.com and sign up. I've got a link to to Coinbase in the description, so click on that and then sign up. You'll come to a page like this. You need to create an account, and Coinbase will take you through various KYC steps, so know your customer steps. So you'll need to register with your name, address, email, and then certify that you're above 18 and then create an account. I've done that already, so let me just log in. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked to supply some documents like your driver's license to verify your identity. Once you've done that, and even before they've verified that, you can have access to the site. Please explore the site. This is Coinbase, and you can see here certain assets are listed with their prices, so you're available to, you can buy, sell, or convert one currency to another, or buy and sell cryptocurrencies there. What I want you to draw your attention to next is the most valuable for a beginner, the most valuable aspect of Coinbase, and that's the learn and earn. Learn and earn is, I'll click on there now. Learn and earn is an opportunity for you to learn about cryptocurrencies and earn those cryptocurrencies. So you can watch a short video, answer a question about Fetch AI, and then earn $1 worth, and then watch the next video, do the same, earn another $1, and then answer the third and do the same again. So that's $3 you can earn in Fetch. There are lots of other cryptocurrencies, it's not for Bitcoin or Ethereum, but the new cryptocurrencies, as they get listed on Coinbase, they normally run this quiz. And when you go through the sections, watch the videos, answer the multiple choice questions, then you can earn cryptocurrency. And that means Coinbase gives you the opportunity to sign up for free and then learn about different cryptocurrencies. Remember, there was only over 10,000 different cryptocurrencies available, but those that reach Coinbase or some of the other cryptocurrency exchange markets are those that are in the top few hundred, let's say. So you can go through all of these quizzes, answer the questions, and earn small amounts of cryptocurrency. And that's familiarizing yourself with different protocols. When you do this, you'll learn what the difference is between proof of work, proof of stake, for example, and you'll learn the names of some blockchains that these cryptocurrencies are based on. So that's important. All of that is free. So that's why I recommend that you sign up for Coinbase and then start the learn and earn process. Don't depend on Coinbase for all your cryptocurrency information. I'm going to mention 3 more sources. So the next point would be, and that's CoinMarketCap. So CoinMarketCap is the industry standard for the prices, ongoing prices, trading prices. It's 24/7, 365 for cryptocurrencies. So you can see here's the top 10, and then obviously you can scroll down indefinitely. There's lots of pages, and when you and this will be a bit overwhelming on your first day, but after you've been reading articles on Coinbase, so there's lots of resource articles on Coinbase, not just to learn and earn. There are articles and and white papers that you can read linked from Coinbase website. But this is CoinMarketCap is actually owned by Binance, which is another very large cryptocurrency exchange, but it's the industry standard in terms of prices, checking prices and performance. So what do I mean by performance? So here's Bitcoin, and the most successful cryptocurrency by market cap, number one, most well known, and you all know about Bitcoin. If I click on here, you can see view charts. So we view charts, and here you can see the performance of Bitcoin over a particular time period. So this is something that you're going to get used to doing. It's now at 39,920 on the day of recording. So there's a 1 day price fluctuation, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. It's always good to look at a year, and also all. So if you look at all, you can see as far as this chart goes back, you can see the performance of Bitcoin. It only goes back to actually like 2013, I think. Yep. But you can see how much it's risen there, and obviously Bitcoin was first created 2009. And if you look at the 1 year performance, so let's look at the 1 year performance. You can see there it was at 55,000. It's now currently at 39. It's been up last November. It's at 67. Sorry. So you can see the price fluctuation for any of those cryptocurrencies, not just in the top 10, but all of those listed on CoinMarketCap. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. As you get deeper into your crypto knowledge and you deepen your knowledge, you'll start to know more cryptocurrencies and be able to assess whether they are suitable investment propositions for you. Obviously, you've got to do your own research, do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. You must make assessments yourself, but don't rely completely just on Coinbase or CoinMarketCap. There are two other sources that I want to mention. The next one, I suppose that's point 5, is CoinDesk. So CoinDesk is a good source for crypto news as well, and there you can read articles about watch videos, the latest trending stories within crypto. It's very useful for you, so you get into the habit of reading from CoinDesk. Not only CoinDesk, not only CoinMarketCap, but also this next one, which is I think the 6th point, and that's Cointelegraph. So they've got articles here, and you can see the latest. Cointelegraph releases top 100 in crypto and blockchain. Here are the BTC price levels to watch. Bitcoin hanging on at $40,000 per Bitcoin. So there's lots of articles and resources there, and you can build up your crypto knowledge. And I wanted to keep this video quite short, but those 6 points will help you deepen your, and obviously you're starting from a low base, but deepen your crypto knowledge, and also will earn you some crypto just by following the steps to learn and earn on Coinbase. As I mentioned earlier, the learn and earn aspect of Coinbase will mean that you'll actually have some cryptocurrency at completely no risk, because following those 6 steps, looking at all those resources, signing up to Coinbase hasn't cost you anything yet. When you feel more comfortable with some of your knowledge, and you know some of the protocols attached to some of the more popular, more famous and successful cryptocurrencies, you may feel then confident enough to start to make investment decisions in terms of which cryptocurrencies and why they're good decisions. And that's something I can cover in another video, and I have covered in some of my more recent videos. I'll now go back to the webcam view and wrap up. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you agree with my points? Are you? Please let me know. I'd be happy to communicate with you via the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video from me. And I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.